it was with a great deal of pleasure that I accepted the invitation to share with you my views on the importance of the tourism industry for the economy of Curacao and how we can maximize its growth potential. I firmly believe that for a small open economy like ours, tourism, which is a thriving industry, provides a solid foundation for growth. Suffice it to note that while Curacao economic growth has averaged a disappointing 0.6% over the past 10 years, stay-over tourism in Curacao has increased by an average of 8.1%. Today, it is the country's most important industry in terms of real value added, foreign exchange earnings, and employment. The question now becomes, can we shape a better future for our tourism industry and make it the driver for economic growth? Or to put it differently, do we still have room for more growth in the tourism sector? Ladies and gentlemen, I am convinced that we can. However, we need to keep in mind that success in the industry depends, among other things, on our ability to remain an attractive destination. In addition, this industry is very susceptible to changes in the external environment. Conditions can change in the blink of an eye. Consequently, we need to continuously enhance our ability to adjust to this changing environment. At the same time, to achieve a higher growth path, we need to address some important issues in our economy. The world has changed drastically in recent decades, becoming more globalized with capital, goods, and knowledge, and especially people moving faster than ever. As the global economy expands and people become wealthier, they will be spending a larger share of their income on leisure activities such as traveling. In 1950, for example, 25 million tourists traveled around the world. Last year, the number exceeded 1.1 billion. This record number in 2014 represented 4.7% growth compared to 2013. And 2014 was the 5th consecutive year of higher than average growth since the global financial crisis. Tourism has become a major driver of socio-economic progress for developed, emerging and developing economies as it generates foreign exchange income, creates jobs and business opportunities for enterprises, and encourages the development of infrastructure.